Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Diane here, and tonight we are making chicken fajitas, and we're going to be using my Watkins brand fajita mix. I'm going to be doing 2 of those packages. I know a lot of you know that I sell Watkins on the side, part of my business. It's a really good business to get into. I've been doing it for about 5 years. They have amazing mixes, amazing spices. I've been using their spices now for about 36 years. So the vanilla, I started with the vanilla and always made it in my baking when I entered the fair where I used to live, and I always got first place as long as I used that vanilla. And it's the baking vanilla now. It's a pure vanilla extract. Or you can use the clear vanilla, which is imitation vanilla that they have to say it's imitation, but really it's vanilla extract. It's pure vanilla extract with some flavoring in it, but mostly it is pure vanilla extract. So right now I have a ton of these Watkins packages. And they have taco seasoning, they have brown gravy seasoning, they have pork gravy seasoning. Let's see. Fajita taco, brown gravy, pork gravy, the chicken gravy, and country gravy. There you go. They also have that, and they're all wonderful. So what I'm going to do here is I have added onions and red bell peppers to our cut up chicken here. And now I've also added a can and a half of the green chilies, and these come from Aldi. I am also making, I turned the heat off, so this looks a little bit dry now, but it came delicious. This is some of the beans, the pinto beans that I made yesterday. I made it into refried beans tonight. And we have homemade chips, as well as some guacamole. Can I show that? Okay. Some guacamole over here, homemade guacamole. Here's some of the onions and the pepper we have left over. Homemade guacamole with hatch chilies in it, and it's a little bit spicy, but it's going to be awesome. So, let's come back here. We are going to add a half cup of water. Can you hold this? Just get my hands. There you go. Don't touch anything else. Okay. There we go. So, got a helper tonight. So I'm going to add 1 package. That was my son's thumb. Say hi, Matt, everybody. And 2 packages. I'm going to do 2 packages of the Watkins Fajita mix. And then you stir that in really well. And you just let it bake through. All the chicken is done. The peppers look wonderful. I added a little bit of garlic. You guys know me with garlic. I have to have my garlic in everything. Just a little bit, though, because I get protested. And these are fajitas. So, we're going to have chicken fajitas tonight with corn tortillas. And probably tomorrow, because I made so much, I'm hoping that there's enough left. We're going to make chicken fajita burritos deep fried. So, an old family favorite of mine. And it is so good. You add the fajita mix, add a little bit of grated cheese. You can add beans if you want to. You roll the tortilla like a burrito, and then you deep fry it. And oh my goodness, that is so good. It's kind of a California Mexican recipe that I made up about 36 years ago. My family has loved it, and something that we haven't really done in a long time, but something that we enjoy doing. So, my fajita mix is almost ready. It is 8 o'clock at night. we are going to enjoy this dinner. I'm going to heat up my beans again here. Which one is this? Still getting used to my stove. So it does look a little bit dry. And usually I add some kind of a lard or something to my beans. Today I added margarine. And I'm going to add a little bit more. There. I just want them really creamy. You can add cheese to this. Usually I make them like this, and then I put a little bit of cheese in them, and then I microwave them, and they come awesome. So add salt. If you follow my recipe for the pinto beans, I put a little bit of salt in there, but not a lot. This is one of the cans with salt and a couple of the onions in there. And you can see how creamy that is. It's so good, guys. So good. So we're going to have that. I only did 1 can. I probably should have done 2 because I can eat all that by myself. And these are just about done. You just want to cook it until it reduces down. Oh, it smells amazing. Doesn't it smell good? Yes? My cameraman says yes. Okay, so yeah. Chicken fajitas, really easy meal, super easy, super fast. You can do it with your canned chicken too. Whether you did the raw pack or the hot pack with the chunks of chicken, this comes out really good. This is actually frozen chicken in little bits that I'm making that were previously frozen, but already cooked, that I added to this to make a fast meal. And it smells amazing. It smells really, really good. So, like I said, the Watkins, I do Watkins spices. If any of you are interested in the Watkins line, I can send you a link. You can send me an email at thecanningnana@gmail.com, or you can leave me a message, comment, and I will let you know how to get involved in Watkins if you want to make a little bit extra money. It's just one of the things that I do. I also do Lavelle by Thrive, and I think some of you guys know that too. That's more of a nutrition supplement thing. Lots of vitamins and patches that you put on for energy, and it's all natural. They even just came out with a skin line, which is amazing. So, yeah, this is how I stay home, guys. This is what I do. So, that's done. And my beans are done. And I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and comment. Please subscribe and follow me, and lots of canning coming up, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.